Turkey's defense industry continues to demonstrate rapid progress through various innovations in unmanned aerial platforms. One program garnering significant global attention is the Baykar KIZILELMA, a jet-powered unmanned combat aircraft designed to execute a wide range of modern combat missions. The KIZILELMA stands as a symbol of the transformation of Turkey's defense technology. The KIZILELMA has undergone various flight tests, sensor integration, and weapons system trials. A significant milestone was the testing of the TOLUN precision munition, which demonstrated the platform's capability to accurately carry and release weaponry. Baykar is also continuing to develop an internal weapons bay designed to support the aircraft's stealth characteristics. Unlike conventional UAVs, the KIZILELMA was developed as a high-performance unmanned combat aircraft. The platform combines jet-like speed, artificial intelligence, high maneuverability, AESA radar, and a low-observable, stealth design. Another key advantage is the use of an internal weapons bay. This concept is commonly employed in stealth fighter aircraft, as it allows munitions to be carried within the fuselage, thereby maintaining a small radar cross-section. With this configuration, the KIZILELMA is expected to be capable of penetrating hostile air defense zones with a reduced probability of detection. The TOLUN-P is part of a family of precision munitions developed by Aselsan. It is designed to strike high-value targets with high accuracy while minimizing collateral damage in the surrounding area. The KIZILELMA has undergone integration testing with various munitions, including the TOLUN and TEBER-82, during external carriage trials. Baykar has stated that the next phase involves testing the internal weapons bay, following the completion of the external testing series.